Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we'll be continuing with our Allen's Keynote Revision series with our next drug, Rus toxicodendron. Rus tox, common name poison oak, family Anacardiaceae. Constitution, adapted to persons of rheumatic diathesis. Mental generals, great apprehension at nights, fears he will die of being poisoned, cannot remain in bed. Dreams of great exertion, rowing, swimming, working hard at his daily occupation. Physical generals, bad effects of getting wet, especially after being overheated, ailments from spraining or straining a single part, muscle or tendon, overlifting, particularly from stretching high up to reach things, lying on damp ground, too much summer bathing in lake or river, affects the fibrous tissues, especially the right side more than the left. The great restlessness, anxiety, apprehension, cannot remain in bed, must change position, often to obtain relief from pain. From mental anxiety, restless, cannot stay long in one position. Great sensitiveness to open air, putting the hand from under the bed covers brings on cough. Great thirst with dry tongue, mouth and throat. Pains as if sprained, as if a muscle or tendon was torn from its attachment, as if bones were scraped with a knife, worse after midnight and in wet rainy weather, affected parts sore to touch. Head, vertigo when standing or walking, worse while lying down, better when lying down. Apis, which is aggravated by rising from lying or stooping. Headache, brain feels loose when stepping or shaking the head. Sensation of swashing in brain, stupefying as if torn. From beer, returns from least chagrin. Aggravated from sitting, lying down in cold, better by warmth and motion. Face, corners of the mouth ulcerated, fever, blisters around mouth and on chin. Mouth, tongue dry, sore, red, cracked, triangular red tips, takes imprint of teeth. Gastrointestinal system, diarrhea with beginning typhoid, involuntary with great exhaustion, tearing pain down the posterior part of limbs during stool. Male reproductive system, external genitals inflamed, erysipetalus edematous. Respiratory system, a dry teasing cough before and during chill is an intermittent fever, cough with taste of blood. Back, back pain between the shoulders on swallowing, pain and stiffness in small of back which is aggravated by sitting or lying and better by motion or lying on something hard. Extremities, lameness, stiffness and pain on first moving after rest or on getting up in the morning which is better by walking or continued motion. Muscular rheumatism, sciatica, left-sided, aching in left arm with heart disease. Nervous system, paralysis with numbness of affected part from getting wet on lying on damp ground after exertion, parturition, sexual excesses, ague or typhoid, paralysis of limbs, ptosis. Fever, when acute disease assumes a typhoid form. Skin, erysipelas from left to right. Vesicular, yellow vesicles, much swelling, inflammation, burning, itching, stinging. Modalities, aggravation before a storm, cold, wet, rainy weather at night, especially after midnight, from getting wet while perspiring during rest. Amelioration, warm, dry weather, wrapping up warm or hot things. Motions, change of position, moving affected parts. The great characteristics of Rus tox is that, with few exceptions, the pains occur and are aggravated during repose and are better by motion. Relation, complementary to Bionia, inimical to Apis but must not used before or after. Compare Arnica, Bryonia, Rhododendron, Natrum sulfur. Sepia often quickly but ameliorates the itching and burning of Rus tox, the vesicles drying up in a few days. Rus tox is best antidoted by the similimum, the potentized remedy given internally. The dermatitis should never be treated by topical medicated applications. They only suppress, never cure. Thank you.